Hello, we're on our third lesson on how to make a granny square. Our first lesson we did the center circle. Lesson 2 we did round 1, where we did our 4 corners all worked into that center ring. Round 2 we worked in these corner spaces. Okay, so to start with we need to do our beginning chain 3. So chain 3. Don't forget to do your tension in your fingers. Okay, and then after doing that chain 3, we're going to have to work into this corner over here. So we're going to pivot. We're going to turn our work around and work with the back facing. Okay. So now we're going to do a corner in here. So we need to put 2 shells and 2 chains. So we're going to count that first chain 3 as a double crochet and form 2 more double crochet in that same chain 2 corner. Okay, that's 1 shell. Chain 2. We're forming a new corner. Now we're going to work back into the same. We were facing this way. Now we're pivoting our work, and we're going to work back in the same space to make our second shell. So we're going 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and we've got our first corner of round 2 made. Okay, now the thing different from round 1 we're doing is we're working in the corner spaces, and we're working over these shells that we had on round 1. Okay, so we're going to chain 1, skip that shell, and work in the next corner space. So we're going to work 1, 2, 3 double crochet in the next corner space. We're going to chain 2, forming the next corner. We're going to pivot our work back into the same corner space and make another shell. 1, 2, 3. Now we got that corner finished. So we're going to chain 1, skip these 3 double crochet or the double crochet shell, work into the next corner. So we're going to work 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to chain 2 for the corner, pivot the work back in this same corner space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 for the side, skip the shell below, go into the next corner space, and form another 2 shell corner. 2, 3, chain 2, pivot. Last shell to be on this round. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to do our final slip stitch. Remember in round 1 we slip stitch to finish? Well, we're going to do the same thing here. But this time we're on the side, so we have to chain 1 first. And then we're going to find that top chain 3. So remember I said it was twisted, but you can still find it. 1, 2, 3. Go right underneath in the center of the stitch and under 2 loops. Draw up your loop and draw it through the last loop. You can give it a little tug. Round 2 of our granny square has been completed. Our next lesson will be round 3. You should be catching on by now how to do this. Continue the same manner, chaining 1 when you pass over the shells. But we will do a round 3 just to make sure it's all caught on. So see you in the next video.